Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jackie Gaming. Today, I'm gonna provide you the promo code for an I'm fighting simulator Roblox. So, before watching the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos. So, without wasting time, let's get started the video. And the first code number one is BUNDLES exclamation mark, and the second code number two is LAGFIXED exclamation mark. So guys, use this code and get rewards. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.